All right, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can actually pick a software, make videos on it, and actually, if you bring value to people, you can actually make affiliate commissions and it works like clockwork. Now, as you know, if you go watch any of my other videos, I had been showing you my Warrior Plus account. Right now we have almost $3,000 in the last 30 days, but we're approaching almost $100,000 if I go to affiliate stats over here. If I go over here and I just go all time on this particular account, you can see that we're at about $86,000 that we've earned over here on Warrior Plus. What I want to show you in this video is that, like, if I hover over here, you'll see commissions are $1,398. So basically $1,400 this month in November of 2025. So this works right now. Everyone's saying that the economy is bad. There's no jobs out there. Well, we're still making thousands of dollars a month with affiliate marketing and free traffic on YouTube. I want to show you that, and you can actually see 72 visitors. I think their leads or conversions are off because we've made a bunch of $88 commissions, probably at least 10 of them. So I think the conversion is off on this. It wasn't just 4 customers, because that would have been like $300 or $400 for each conversion. And that wasn't the amount of money that I was making. You can see the commissions are right here at $1,398. The sales is $4,660 and so forth. So what I want to show you is exactly how I did this, right? So instead of going out, like I teach you, go to Muncheye, pick a product on Warrior Plus, then go and put together a promotion, and you can go out there and launch Jack and you can make money on Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Not everybody wants to get into Warrior Plus affiliate marketing and learning how to do that, how to build an audience in the make money online space. I want to show you in this video how you do not need to be in the make money online niche at all, and you can make this work for you. There are so many different software categories. For example, if we come over here and we go into, let's go to this site over here called G2. This is a software website that does reviews on softwares. Come over here and take a look at the traffic. Almost 3 million people going to the site per month. Hover over software and you'll see all these giant parent categories. If you don't know what niche to pick and you want to get into software for your YouTube channel, this is a great site because there are so many specific categories that you could actually build an entire business around, an entire YouTube channel around. What I like to do is come over, here's the AI. Right over here, we have chatbots, AI writing, machine learning, video surveillance, video translation, generative AI, deep learning. There's a bunch right there, but then you can come over here and you can go over to software and maybe go into like marketing, right? So we go over to marketing, look at all of these tools under marketing, social media management, some of the SEO tools, but there's so many other ways that you could create content if you dive in very specifically. For example, right over here, public relations. If you know anything about PR, public relations, you could find an AI software that helps businesses formulate public relations, promotions, or campaigns. There's so many different things you can do, email marketing and so forth, right? So there's a lot of softwares. I invite you to go to G2, go to their software and look at all the parent categories, and even under hosting, look at how many you would never think there's this many categories, even inside of the website hosting category, e-commerce, all kinds of good stuff. You can build an entire channel around one of these softwares, and then you could build, for example, analytics tools. Then you could create a playlist on your YouTube channel, business intelligence, data visualization, drone analytics, or you could build an entire channel around drone analytics. This is where a lot of people get stuck. Like, what do I create content on? Just go here, do a deep dive on all the software, all the parent topics over here, and then all the sub categories inside of a major parent topic right over here. And you could do one or the other. You could build, what I would recommend is pick one of these and build a channel around it, get your first 1,000 subscribers, get your first 50 to 100 videos out around one of these small topics. And then you can start adding other parts of this. You can start to where you start dominating the parent topic. You can't just come in and say, hey, I'm going to create a marketing YouTube channel. You're probably not going to do that well if you're talking about broad marketing, because marketing is huge. But if you come in there and create a channel on just lead generation, how to get lead gen, and that's a sub niche under marketing, you're probably going to have a lot more leverage and traction. You're going to gain more specific. You're going to to find that exact customer avatar. And then once you feel like you've really dominated that subtopic, pick your next favorite one and start adding some of that content to your YouTube channel. So that's step one. Find out what software you want to sell. So we're talking about this software called Koala. It's an AI content writer. It's one of the best, and I've made a lot of money from it. You can see that we've brought in $46,000 in revenue for the company. We've made over $14,000 in affiliate commissions right there. We've had some really big months, $1,500 right there, $1,600 right there, almost $3,000 last November, $1,200 right there, $800 right there. And then this month was pretty good as well, $1,400 for this Black Friday. So how do you position yourself to be able to do this? I haven't promoted this in a very long time, probably since last November. I have a bunch of content out there, right? In the last November, let's see, right over here, a year ago, I probably did a video last Black Friday. We're Black Friday season right now. This is Black Friday week. So I probably haven't done any content on Koala in like a year, and look at all of the money that came in this year. Still, some of these not that impressive, 30 bucks, 80 bucks, 90 bucks, but the average is still $500 a month because we had some big months. In February, $1,200. In August, we had $800, and then another $1,400 right here. And I made one video this year, and that's how you build this up. So what I want to show you is how this is done. We come over here. Here's my channel that I put that video out on. It's called LearnWire. It's got 20,000 subscribers, 830 videos. You'll be able to see that I hover over here. Look, I'm not on camera. It's a faceless YouTube channel. Some of these I get on camera every once in a while, but most of the videos I do not get on camera. Most of these videos, 90% of my videos, I am not on camera. So check that out. Very important. Look right over here. Pay attention to views too. I'm averaging about 400 or 500 views per video. A year ago, I was averaging about 1,000 views per video. Views are down, but guess what? Views are down across the board for a lot of creators, and that hasn't stopped me from having a successful six-figure year once again. So you don't have to have a ton of traffic to make this work, okay? So come through here, and you can see right over here, I was very direct about this. What do you get? You get 55% off Koala AI Black Friday, this insane 55% discount that you need. I was able to create a 16-minute video right here. It's got only 400 views from 10 days ago. Now, if I come over here, I can click right here and type in Koala and push enter. We're going to see what kind of videos we've created. So there's one from 2 years ago, one from 1 year ago, from keywords to a full blog post, Koala Writer right there, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, right here. So here's where I did that video. Now I'm going to keep going. Can articles rank right here? I did use Koala Writer in this video right here 5 months ago. So there's one, but you're literally talking about 2 videos that I can count. And this one wasn't even direct. It was, can AI articles still rank on Google in 2025? It wasn't directly like, hey, Koala Writer tutorial or Koala Writer update. It wasn't a direct video calling it out, but I did use Koala Writer in here as well. So that's what I teach my students to do strategically, use different titles like this as well. If you look at this 5 months ago, that would have probably been one of those big months that I had. So when we come back over here, you can clearly see that this was not something that I promoted much this year at all. 1 or 2 videos tops right here. So I'll put out a video intentionally 10 days ago. It only got 400 views. Pay close attention to that. We're not talking about 10,000 views, 5,000 views. We're not even talking about 1,000 views. I mean, heck, we're not even talking about 500 views, but then we can come back and hover over here and you can see that we've made $1,398 this month in November from putting out that one video. So is putting out one 16-minute video worth $1,400 to you? Absolutely. That's how you do it. You come over here, you find a software, go into software, let's go into the marketing, and then into either content marketing, probably content marketing. We might be able to find some different softwares in here, and you could go and find all these softwares, right? Content experience platforms, content distribution softwares, and you could go in and find a software that's got really good ratings, really good reviews, it's getting a lot of traffic to it, sign up to their affiliate program, and then get their lowest plan and start using it. Use it in your business. I used Koala Writer in my business to build blogs and so forth, right? So I'm showing and proving to my audience that I do use this software. It's worth it for you to look at as as well. Do you think that if I would have made a lot more videos this year on Koala, I probably could have made a lot more money this year? Probably. But when we come through here and we look at just 2025, these stats right here, and I actually plug this in and do some analytics on it, we will see that my average monthly income from just this one piece of software that I'm an affiliate for is still $494, almost $500 a month, a really nice hefty car payment that I'm making per year just from literally creating 2 videos in the last 12 months on this software. If I went all in and I did a bunch of tutorials on Koala and I made my channel more about AI content writing, and Koala Writer was one of my big tools that I really pushed, I would be able to easily make this into not just $500 a month, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month. I do believe, I have the confidence that I would be able to do that if I showcased Koala Writer a lot more on my channel. You could build a case study, build a site using Koala Writer, do all kinds of things, and kind of do a case study in front of your audience. Is a great way to sell software as well. It becomes about not really selling, like you're not shoving this down people's throat. You're not making people buy. You're not becoming a salesman. All you're doing is showing some unique creative ways that you're using the software, showing people that, oh yeah, David uses the software too. Oh, look at the results that he's gotten too. And he puts out tutorial videos all the time on this. I kind of want to do what he's doing too. I'm going to use this, and he's put such good content out, told me a lot about it. I've learned a lot on how to use the software. So when they finally go to sign up, try it out, or become a paid customer, they're probably going to want to come to your channel and click on your link. And I've had so many people throughout the last 5 years come to me and tell me, I intentionally clicked on your affiliate link because you're so helpful in your videos. People know what affiliate links are. They do want to give credit where credit is due. And if you're helpful to them, then they're going to be glad to click on that. When someone's helpful to me, because I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, when someone puts out good content, I intentionally click on their link. I purchased a software a couple of weeks ago that was $700 for the entire year. It has to do with the Amazon Influencer Program, and I actually intentionally, a very small channel with like 1,000 subscribers, something like that, they created some really helpful tutorials on the software. I wanted to give back, right? Like someone should get my affiliate commission. So I went to that person's channel, I clicked on their link, I bought it. They got a nice hefty, like $250, $300 commission. And then what I did was I left a comment on their YouTube channel and said, hey, I just went all in on the tier, paid for the year. Thanks for your videos. They came back and were so grateful. I intentionally purchased underneath them. So I wanted to show that it's not just about Warrior Plus. It's not just about launch jacking. There's so many ways to make thousands of dollars per month. And in this case, it was $1,400 from one video this month. I hover over this, you can see, and then we come over here and look at November right here. You can see the $1,400 right there. And the proof is right here. When I go and show you LearnWire, literally, I only made one video, and you can count, I've made 2 videos for the entire year. But the last time I did a video like this directly was a year ago. Look, 1 year ago, I got 1,000 views. Koala Writer's Hidden Gem, 55% off right there. And then you can see over here, Black Friday, boom, I participated in their Black Friday event. People through my link can get an additional 15% off. So they get a total 55% off. So my video was helpful. Think of it as email marketing, only video marketing. Instead of sending out an email, I create a video for my subscribers. They watch it. Oh, cool. Yeah, I love this software. Cool. I'm going to go and use David's coupon code, David Mills. Boom. I'm going to sign up. Boom. My average is about $88 of commission per sale. This can work in any niche, in any software. To sign up as an affiliate, use the software. And a lot of times you can reach out. If you already have a channel about email marketing, you can reach out to someone and say, hey, can I get one of your lower tiers? I want to be an affiliate. Here's my channel about email marketing. Can you give me a free account? I'd be glad to make really helpful tutorials and partner with you. More times than not, they would be glad to do that, to get free marketing to their software, and then they'll pay you a commission when you make money. You don't have to overcomplicate this. There's no secrets to this. Just go and find some software, create a niche YouTube channel, and start creating helpful tutorials. That's it. Put a link in your description. You start making money. Now, if you want to learn the ins and outs of this and really join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, click the first link below. Check out my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. It's currently only $27 to join. You get a community of people that are making money. Gary, almost $1,000 last month right here. We have 2 live calls per month. We have a YT Affiliate Blueprint. We have a launch jacking course if that's what you want to do. We have all the calls recorded and uploaded so you can watch any of those. I have my custom GPTs. I have 4 GPTs that you get access to that will help you build your lead magnets, build your funnels, tell you what videos you should create, YouTube title creation bots, really good stuff right there. Case study right over here, course creation shortcut, how do you create courses and so forth. We've got a lot of goodies inside of this course. This is definitely the most complete affiliate marketing and YouTube course and community that I believe on Skool that you can be a part of. And it's not $100 a month. It's not $200 a month. It's just $27 a month. Go click that link below. I'd love for you to be our next student, and I'll see you in the next video.